Hello students, how are you? Welcome back to my video. Today we will start chapter number 3, that is HCF and LCM. Okay, so the first topic we are going to study is what? Factors and multiples. Okay, factors and multiples you got in your earlier classes also, right? So what is factor? We'll go directly here. We'll see a number which divides a given number. Okay, a number which divides a given number exactly without leaving any remainder is called a factor of the given number. That means factor means the complete division. Any number which completely divides any other number, that is called factor of that given number. Like factors of 18. So if you are asked to write factors of 18, that means by which number factor by which number 18 is completely divided. So 18 equal to, you can write the factors like this in multiplication form. 18 equal to 1 into 18, 18 equal to 2 into 9, 2 into 9 is 18, and when you reverse also it is also same, 9 to 18, then 18 equal to 3 6 is 18, and reverse also 6 3 is 18. That means what are the numbers that is dividing 18? So here are the numbers 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18 are the factors of 18 because these numbers are completely dividing 18 without leaving any remainder. So it is a factor, right? Understood? Now next is multiple. What is called multiple? A multiple of any natural number is a number formed by multiplying it by another natural number. So multiple means multiplying one natural number with another natural number. Okay, that is called multiple. That is multiplication. Okay, see here multiple of 8 if you are asked to write. So multiple of 8 will be what? We'll multiply this 8 with first natural number, that is 1. We'll multiply the number with 1. We'll start always with 1. 8 1 is 8. Then multiply with 2. 8 2 is 16. 8 3 is 24, like this and so on. That is called multiple, okay, of any number. So multiple is multiplication of any number with the natural number starting from 1. So what is the multiple of 8? First of all 8, then 16, then 24, 32, 40 are multiples of 8. So there are many multiples of 8. So understood? In this way you can write factors and multiples. So this topic you have to understand first before starting this chapter. Okay, and this factors and multiples you already got in your earlier class. Now we'll go to the recap exercise given in the next page. Okay, so in recap exercise, what are the questions given? Let's see. First number question is write the factors of the following. You have to write the factors of these following numbers: 16, 28, 36 and so on. Okay, let's start it. Okay students, here you can see we can write the factors of 16 like this. 16 equal to 1 into 16, 16 equal to 2 into 8, 2 8 is 16, 16 equal to 4 into 4, 4 4 is 16. So what are the factors of the 16 you are getting? 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. These are the factors of 16, right? So in this way you have to write, therefore the factors of 16 are 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16 in this way. Okay. Now let's do C number question. B and D are homework. So C number is 36. So here you can see the factors of 36 are 36 equal to 1 into 36, 36 equal to 2 into 18, 36 equal to 3 into 12, 36 equal to 4 into 9, 36 equal to 6 into 6. So all these are the factors of 36. So these are the factors of 36. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18, 36. So you have to write all the numbers. Okay. Now let us do question number 2. Write first 4 multiples of the following. So you have to write the first 4 multiples of these numbers. Okay. Okay students, see here the first 4 multiple of 12 you have to write. So first 4 means you have to start with 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. First 4 it is asked. That's why you have to write the multiplication table of 12 starting from 1. 12 1 is 12, 12 2 is 24, 12 3 is 36, 12 4 is 48. So therefore the first 4 multiples of 12 are 12, 24, 36 and 48. So in this way you have to write the multiples. Multiples is very easy, only writing the multiplication table. Okay. So you have to do it by yourself this B, C and D because they are very easy. Now question number 3, write the factors of the following. So this question number 3 is same like question number 1. You can see you have to write the factors of the following here also. Okay. So these questions you do by yourself in your home. Okay. Now next question number 4, write the common factors of. Now you have to write the common factors of these two numbers 24 and 36. What are the common factors between these two numbers? You have to write it. Okay. So students, in this question number 4a, 24 and 36, first of all you have to write the factors of 24 and then factors of 36, and then we'll compare what are the common factors. So let's write all the factors of 24 and all the factors of 36. Okay students, now you can see I have written the factors of 24. So the factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. And factors of 36 I have written, the factors of 36 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36. So now you have to compare which numbers are common in between these numbers. Okay, which factors are common in between these two factors. So you can see what are the common factors here, 1 here also and here also. Common means the same numbers which are coming in both the factors. Here 2 here also 2, 3 here also 3, 4 here also 4, 6 here also 6. Okay, but 8 is not there. 12, yes, 12 is also here, but 24 and 18, 36 not common. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12 are common in both the factors. So you'll write like this. So in this way you have to write, hence the common factors of 12 and 36 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Okay, so this is the complete solution of this question, how to find and write the common factors between two numbers. Okay, let us do question number C. Question number B and D is your homework. Okay students, see here the factors of 35 you have to write. First of all, 35 factors are, I have written here 1, 5, 7 and 35. Now factors of 55 you have to write. So factors of 55 are what? 1, 5, 11 and 55. Okay, 1, 5, 11, 55. Now you have to find out what are the common factors between these two numbers. So you can see 1 is there, 1 is there, 5 is there, 5 is there, but other two numbers are not present. That is why this common factors of 35 and 55 are 1 and 5. Only these two factors. Okay, understood? Now we'll go to the next question number 5. So write 4 common multiples of. You have to write the common multiples of between these two numbers, right? Like common factors you have written, now common multiples between these two numbers. Okay. So to write the multiples of 12, we have to write the multiplication table of 12. So I will directly write the multiplication of table of 12. That is, first of all, 12 1 is 12, 12 2 is 24, 12 3 is 36, 12 4 is 48. Like this, you have to write all the multiples. So here you have to find out the common 4 common multiples between 12 and 18. So you have to write the multiplication table of 12 and 18 as long as we will not get the 4 common multiples between these two numbers. Okay, so let's write the multiplication table more. Okay students, you can see here now I have written the multiplication table of 12, that is 12 up to, you can see 12 10 ja 120. After that I have written 12 11 ja 132, 12 12 ja 144, 12 13 ja 150. See, that means you have to write in the multiplication table something long. Okay, up to more than 10 times sometimes. Now multiplication table of 18, multiples of 18 are, now multiplication table of 18, 18 1 is 18, 18 2 is 36, 18 3 is 54, 18 4 is 72, 18 5 is 90, 18 6 is 108, 18 7 is 126, 18 8 is 144, dot dot dot. So multiples are never ending, so it will go on. So now our task is to find the common multiples between these two numbers. So first you have to find the first 4 common multiples. It is written in the question, 4 common multiples you have to find. Okay, so here you can see what are the numbers matching here. Multiple of 18 is starting from 18, so here 18 is not available. Now we will compare 36. Yes, 36 is available, so 36 is our first multiple, common multiple. Then we will see 54, no, 54 is not present. 72, yes, 72 is present, so this is our second common multiple. After that we will see next number 90, 90 is not present, 96. So 108, you can see it is present in both the numbers. So this is our third common multiple, and 126 not present, 144, yes, 144 is present. So this is our fourth common multiple. So in this way we have got the four common multiples between 12 and 18. So you have to write the last sentence like this. So our hence the four common multiples of 12, 18 are, so which we got, we have got 36 and 36, we got 72, 72, then 108, 108, 144, 144. So if you underline this, it will be more convenient for you to write. Okay, so we'll write 36, 72, 108 and 144. So these are the four common multiples of 12 and 18. In this way you have to write this question. So rest of the question B, C and D are a homework. So in the same way you have to do this question. Okay. Now next question number 6, is 32 a factor of 3584? That means it is asking whether this number is dividing by 32 or not. So you have to divide 3584 by 32 and see that it is completely dividing or not. If it is dividing, that means it is a factor of this. So after dividing I have seen that it is a factor of 32. So it is yes. And here also, is 368 a multiple of 46? Yes. So it is a multiple of 36. Yes, it is also a multiple of 36. Okay. Now question number 8, write the next two multiples of 19. So next two multiple means after 19 you have to write. So after 19, what is it? 19 1 ja 19 first, 19 2 ja 38, 19 3 ja 57. So these two multiples you have to write. So it's very simple, right? So your homeworks are from question number 1 to 5, the rest of the question which I have not done. Okay, so in this way our recap exercise is complete. So I hope you have understood this topic completely. Okay, thank you.